The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this Learn About Law video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to give me a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video we discuss when it is appropriate to end a fiduciary relationship in Illinois. So, what reasons would a fiduciary of an Illinois trust have to resign? Well, despite some of the obvious and uncontrollable reasons an individual would have for wanting to resign from a given responsibility, such as illness, death of a family member, monetary issues, etc., fiduciaries often come across two categories of issues that have the potential to force their resignation. One is going to be conflict of interest. Conflicts of interest occur when the fiduciary's personal interests are different from those of the client she represents. This is often the case for the fiduciary of a family member's trust or estate when the fiduciary's interests differ from those of the beneficiaries. An example of this would be a child serving as the trustee or executor of a parent's estate while also being the beneficiary of the estate. Another example would be a fiduciary holding a higher up position in a company whose stock is a major asset of the estate. Depending on a fiduciary's position, conflicts of interest can come in many different forms, so it's important for the fiduciary and her legal counsel to have a plan in case of a conflict materializes. 2. Unreasonable beneficiaries. Sometimes fiduciaries find themselves confronted with a beneficiary who refuses to take the advice of the fiduciary or expects the fiduciary to bend to their every whim. Often these beneficiaries will threaten to file or actually file a petition with the appropriate court to have the fiduciary removed or actually sue the fiduciary. So what legal hurdles might prevent a fiduciary from resigning? Well, in Illinois, the Probate Act provides that a representative may resign from his or her position upon petition and subsequent permission of the court. Representative covers executors, administrators, guardians, etc. The Illinois Trust and Trustees Act provides that a trustee may resign at any time with written notice to all parties involved and benefiting from the trust, such as the settlor if still alive, co-trustee, beneficiaries, etc. However, the resigning fiduciary responsibility is not always as simple as giving written notice. Many fiduciary agreements have provisions that control the process for fiduciaries resigning in order to protect the interests of the state or trust. For example, a trust agreement might state that a trustee may resign only in accordance with the trust and with the permission from all beneficiaries and the appropriate court. Or in the case of a trust with two or more trustees, the trust may have a provision restricting the resignation of a single remaining trustee, so both couldn't resign at the same time. How can an Illinois fiduciary protect himself or herself from continued liability? There are a few different precautions a current fiduciary can take to limit their liability now and after their time as a fiduciary has ended. A common option for fiduciaries to rid themselves of liability is to obtain a receipt of release from the beneficiary. The release acts as a legal document showing that the distribution was made to the beneficiary acknowledges the distribution, and releases the fiduciary from any future claims from the beneficiary. While a receipt of release is legally binding, it does not always protect against any and all future claims. Also, the fiduciary should be careful when constructing the language of the receipt of release, as more overreaching stipulations may actually raise suspicion in the beneficiary and damage the fiduciary relationship, potentially leading to more issues down the road. If you have legal questions about fiduciary responsibility or probate procedure, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 630-324-6666. As always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Just want to let you know we offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. So if you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. And thank you again for watching and listening.